Okay, now we have done the outside railing, the outside post, the inner post, outer post. Actually, like I said on a piece of paper, it's much better to start first with the inside, both sides, and then with the outside. Once this is done, we need to put a 2.3, a bigger one, into this area here and this area here. Both sides are going to be pictures. Here, in between these two braces and these two braces. Now I installed this one already on that side. As you can see here, you can see where they come down here. Yeah. Now here sometimes you don't have enough space to put it down, to put one dowel down. Somehow just it doesn't work down because you don't have the space. So you need to drill a little bit over. You need to drill, and the way I do that is like that. I make it a little bit bigger. Here, I hope you can see it. I made it a little bit bigger here. This side here, yeah? Let's see if I can get this one down now. Oh, not yet. Or you can make that a little bit, you can make this one a little bit thinner. So it goes down here. Oh, it goes down. Look, here you go. It went down. Yeah, can you see how it went down? So it's down here and it's down here. Sorry, it's down this side and it's down this side. Both sides are down now. Here and here. Yeah? So like I said, if it's, I have to hold it. Sometimes that puka here, you have no space to put it in down here. So you have to widen tiny little bit on the plank. You drill off of the plank a little bit, okay?